Welcome to Dawn of Cooking, and on this week's video I'm so excited to tell you about a project I've been working on for you guys. So come on with me and let's get started. So just in case you didn't know it, I have a blog, dawnofcooking.com, where I share healthy recipes, and also I'm on Instagram, Mom Lincoln Dawn of Cooking, where I share recipes and stories, so you can look a little bit into our Alaska life too. So I'd love to have you join my cooking family. So what is new, you ask? On my blog, I have a 7-day meal plan in PDF form, and it's a quick and easy guide with healthy breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and snacks that are all mix and matchable. You'll be prepping your proteins, carbs, vegetables, and snacks ahead of time so you can easily put together your meals. And in later videos, I can expand on these more. So please leave me a comment if you are interested. Say maybe you're cutting back on meat and you want to do some more vegan options. I can help you with that too. So come on with me in this video and I'll show you a few highlights. Alright, starting off on the 7-day meal plan, there's a little bit about me, and then I have a couple pages of table of contents, and then a grocery list, and we'll start off with our proteins and putting together salads and all your veggies. All this stuff will be pre-prepared ahead of time so that you can mix and match your meals. Those seasoned black beans are so good, and then we're on to our breakfasts and different pancakes. All kinds of different breakfasts that are like very easy for anybody in your family to put together, and they are healthy too. And then once we get on that, we have a smoothie, and then we're on to our mix and match lunches. All these lunches are used off of the basic ingredients that you have pre-prepped. There's lots of different variations, and then you can even make a few of your own, and then on to dinner. And everybody always likes all these dinners, and you can keep on mix and matching them as you go during the week. And then you don't want to forget the snacks. Snacks are so good. So there's a whole bunch of packable ones, and there we go. That's the end of the plan. Now let me show you what I'm having for lunch today on my 7-day meal plan that I have laid out for you. And I put together the seasoned black beans. They're really easy for you to put together, and they're nice and colorful and really good. And then I have some rice that I pre-made. So for my lunch today, I put together a salad, and it has a bed of romaine lettuce and the seasoned black beans and salsa and the rice that I already had made, and some mango, and I added avocado and some sweet jalapenos and some chips. So that's my lunch today, and the salsa can be used as a dressing. So this is easy to pack and go. So one more good meal that you can make on the plan. One of my favorite things to make on the plan are these oven roasted vegetables. I put a wide assortment on my cookie sheet on some parchment paper, and you can add just whatever ones you want, and even singly if you'd like. And I did onions and pea pods and colored peppers and broccoli and zucchini, and added a little bit of salt, drizzled on the olive oil. I'm getting ready to throw them in the oven right now at 400 degrees, and probably no more than 15 minutes. You want them to be crisp tender because you don't want them to be mushy when you go ahead and use them in recipes. So you can use these in so many different ways. Be creative. You can throw them in your omelets, in your stir fries, stuff a potato with them, add them in a soup. The list goes on and on. So here we go. I'm gonna throw them in the oven right now. Oven roasted vegetables are really great for throwing together really quick meals. I'll show you what we made for dinner tonight. I made an oven roasted pizza. I'd already got a whole wheat crust from the grocery store, and then I'm trying to eat way less meat. So what I did for the base is I took a vegan cream cheese and I mixed it with artichoke hearts and garlic. I spread that on the crust, then all the vegetables, and I went ahead and cooked that in the oven, and then took it out. We put fresh basil on top and had marinara sauce. Really good. Thanks for coming along with me in this week's video. I hope you'll head over to my blog and go ahead and print out that PDF. Leave me a comment in the comment section below this video because you know I like hearing from you guys. And also on my Instagram, that would be fun too, Mom Lincoln Dawn of Cooking. So let me know if you want me to expand more on the recipes in that PDF. So until next time, happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.